Today I have 5 ways that you can pretty much be sure that you're going to get hacked. Way number 1 is you have really crappy passwords. So what do I mean by that? Maybe they're just really weak. So in other words, they're short, they're easy to guess, they're things like 1234 or things like password. So please don't use password as your password. Maybe you don't have any passwords at all, or you're writing them down on sticky notes, or worse, you're telling them to other people, or maybe you're writing them down in company chats or you're emailing them out, right? So that somehow you've documented them, it's not just hearsay. Next, you're clicking on phishing emails, right? So you get an email and it kind of looks real, or you're busy, so you just respond right away and you click on a link, and then maybe you then give that sensitive information away. Sometimes it's not a big deal if it's something that you don't really care about, but if this is your QuickBooks password or your banking or financial institutions, that's really a problem. And these hackers are really good at phishing. So please pay close attention when you get an email. Number 3, you're not using two-factor or multi-factor authentication. You fill something out and then it says, verify that you're you, we've texted you or we've emailed you. And then they give you either, generally it's like a series of numbers that you type in to authenticate to you. What I'd really like for you to do is have multi-factor authentication on your computer itself, so that when you sit down in front of your computer, you type in the password, and then what's going to happen in multi-factor is your phone is going to buzz and a little green checkbox is going to appear, and you're going to say, yep, that's me, and then it lets you open your computer. So please use multi-factor authentication in as many ways as you possibly can. Number 4, sometimes we see people that are just not using antivirus. It's a really basic fundamental thing. I want you to have antivirus, and if we can add anti-threat software on there, even better. Number 5, and this happens all the time, and definitely since COVID, we're seeing this on a regular basis, is that you're letting your team use their personal devices for work. And I know why we do this, right? We do it for 2 reasons. Reason number 1 is, well, we don't want to spend the money to buy that person another computer. After all, they have a computer at home. They can just use their home computer. Or the employee literally says, look, I already have a computer at home. Don't make me have another computer at home. How am I going to negotiate all that? So I know why you do it. But the reason that it's dangerous for you is that you no longer have control over that device. We don't know what that person does in their spare time. We don't know if they have antivirus or they're having any kind of illicit behavior that's online that could then impact you or get the virus from that home device remoted into your work device. So please go ahead and buy everybody devices for their home or laptops. That way they can travel around with them. With the way the world is today, you should definitely be concerned about getting hacked and really protecting your business from these cyber criminals. If you want to get more information and talk about cybersecurity or IT support, just give me a call and we'd be happy to chat.